So I came in and caught Mom doing this. She got some cucumbers cut up, got a little oil out, and she's dredging the oil. So tell me what you're doing, Mom.
I'm putting the cornmeal, self-rising cornmeal, on my smashed cucumbers, and I'm waiting for my skillet to heat up, get real hot, so I put this in there, and then I cook it until it gets real brown and crisp.
Mm-hmm.
And then you could either salt this before you put it in, before you put the cornmeal on it, or you could wait till it gets all brown and good and brown, and take it out, and then you raise your salt up and salt it high, and get all salt up. That makes it taste good.
So where'd you get this recipe from?
From my mother. Your grandma. She did this when I was a little girl. She did a lot of things people never heard of. She was one of them old-fashioned cooks. Let's see now. This right here. Get flour on your apron.
That's okay.
Not flour, I'm getting cornmeal on your apron.
That's why you wear an apron, right?
I guess. That's the end of the... Oh, I see one more. How's that? Now that's got to get good and brown.
Okay.
Real good and brown. Now I'm ready to turn these over because they're done on one side. Nice and brown. See that? And that over later. Yeah, I have to wet let these brown real good on this side.
You ever fry these in lard?
No, oh no. Lard is too hard on you. Others used to use lard. Back then we didn't have oil. We had butter, and we had, and then margarine came in, but my mother never liked margarine, so she raised us 9 kids on butter and lard. See, they're good and brown. And I put them, pour them in this paper plate. There we go.
You see, Rex always wants to be by the stove. You see him laying there?
He wants something to eat.
Look at him. Okay. Salt?
Yeah, let's see. See that?
Always turn these handles in.
Yeah, I'll turn it around because you knock them off, but they're still hot. Let's see.
She likes to make sure they're basically a single layer.
My little salt shaker. See how I do that?
That's a lot of salt,
Yeah.
lady. Here you go. I'll take
It takes a lot of salt for cucumbers,
Oh, okay.
so you can taste the salt.
You gonna salt the other side?
Yeah, I'm gonna put a little salt on this other side. Boy, that's hot. Did I turn these?
I think so. I think you.
Yeah, I didn't turn these right here.
Yeah. That's what I was about to say. Here's your salt.
Yeah. Won't put much salt on this side though. There you go. Thank you for stopping by Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. Subscribe, what else? Like,
And share.
and share. Thank you.
Thank you for stopping by.